If Chrome is acting up, maybe showing weird ads, a strange homepage, or just feeling sluggish, a setting reset is often the quickest fix. It restores everything to its original factory states without deleting your bookmarks or passwords. So open the Chrome browser and click three vertical dots in the top right corner of the window and select the setting from the drop down menu. On the left handed sidebar, click on the reset setting and now click restore setting to their original defaults. A confirmation box will appear explaining exactly what will happen. Click the blue reset settings button to finish. It's a soft reset, meaning it targets the parts of the browser that usually cause trouble while leaving your personal data intact. So once the process is finished, just close it and restart the Chrome browser. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.